Hey y'all, so I need to go ahead and prep my hair for a hairstyle, and how I'm going to do that is use the RevAir. This is the one that is new and improved, so in this video you guys will see a full breakdown of the RevAir and how it works, and also my best strategy onto how to use the RevAir in under 20 minutes or less. Alright, so let me go ahead and show it to you. If you get the full package, it comes with a bag. So let me go ahead and take everything out the bag and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so here is my RevAir. If you are somebody who is on the fence of purchasing one, or if you already have a RevAir and just want to see how it works, and I'm going to show you how I get my blowouts done in about 20 minutes. So this video is going to be awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and start to just break this bad boy down. So what's cool about the RevAir and what's different, I guess you can say revolutionary, is that it uses reverse air to get your hair air dried straight. So this has nothing to do with an actual blowout or blow drying. The RevAir does not blow. It actually does the opposite in reverse. It sucks or creates suction to dry your hair. So it's the reverse air dryer. That's why they call it that. With this gadget, it has the option of using heat or no heat. So we'll get into that a little bit later because you guys know I'm all about no heat hairstyles. So the first thing down here, this big little contraption, is called the base. Now I've had mine for over a year now and it's worked perfectly for me. There's been no problems whatsoever. Every time I turn it on, it works great. I believe this also does come with a warranty, so if you guys want to sign up for that while you're purchasing one. So this is called the base, and then you have this really long hose right here. It's cool that the hose is so long so you can kind of walk around if you need to. And this is the wand. This is the part that actually suctions your hair. So like I was saying with the wand, you have 3 settings on here. The 1 is low heat and the 2 is high heat. Pretty cool, right? There is a level that you can set it to from 1 through 7, and this is your suction level. So how hard, I guess you want to say, do you want to create the suction? So you can do level 1, which is that it's not having a lot of suction, or 11 7, which is the highest it goes, which is the maximum suction. So I usually keep it between 5 and 7. I found that the higher the suction, the quicker this goes. I also like to use a low heat when I'm also using the RevAir as well. There's a little holder piece right here, so once you get your RevAir, all you have to do is just stick it in, make sure you hear it click, and then you can go ahead and rest your wand onto that piece, and that looks all good and ready to go. So other things that I got from the RevAir that's also in the box are these little guys. I think there was a towel in here, and there was also an extra filter. I think I already used those. There's also a spray bottle. The spray bottle says RevAir. I don't want to take it out the plastic because I might include this in a giveaway one day, and it's brand new. I never used it before. There's also clips in here. These are crocodile clamps, I believe, and they're so cute. They say RevAir on them. And it comes in a total of 4. And the last thing we have is the comb, which also says RevAir. I love when hair tools are branded, so I remember where they're from. That's so important to me, and we'll be using this for the demonstration as well. Alright, so now that I went over the RevAir, kind of showed you the pieces that's going to be included. If you decide to just get the RevAir, then the hair tools and the water bottle and all that stuff won't be included, but if you decide to get the total package, it will be. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I like to do my hair, and we'll just keep this ball rolling. Okay, so step 1 is preparation. I'm going to go ahead and put all of my hair up and separate it out. This way the hair's already separated into small little bantu knots or top knot buns, and you can use that to go ahead and create sections within your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just part my hair right down the middle, and then I'm going to start on this side first. All I'm going to do is create a front and back section. So my hair is a little bit dry because it's been in a microfiber towel all day, but we still need to go ahead and blow dry it out, or reverse air dry it out. Alright, so I have my back section and my front section. What I'm going to do with that front section is go ahead and just split it in half up and down. So now I have one section up here and one section down here. Taking that first section, I'm going to go ahead and just twist it. Now we're creating a lot of sections, so make sure you guys stay stay with me. And then I'm just gonna wrap that around itself, creating kind of like a small little bantu knot. All right, so we have our bantu knots in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and create 3 sections in the back because the sections in the back are a little bit more thicker. So starting right here in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that on up and then wrap it around itself. And then go ahead and split it one more time. So I have this top section going on and then this right here. And here is the last section. So in total, I have 5 little sections on this side. Okay, as you can see, they're bantu knotted up out the way, and I'm quickly going to go ahead and just do that to the side as well, so I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I am back, and here's how my hair is looking, all separated out and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and take down the first section and show you guys exactly what I like to do when I'm using the RevAir. And like I said, my hair is actually probably like 60%, maybe even more dry. I had it in a microfiber towel for like a long time because I was just distracted doing other work, and here I am now doing my hair. So it's a little bit dry, but we still have to go ahead and get it straight so we can prep it for the next hairstyle, which will be in the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that as well. Here in my hand I have the Mielle Organics. This is the avocado and tamemu anti-frizz stay straight serum, and this is just an anti-heat protectant that I'll be using on my curls. I just used 2 pumps just because the section's pretty small, and working that all into my hair. It smells really good, by the way. All right, so you guys won't be able to hear me for this next section of the video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. And like I said, I like to put this, come on in here, friend, come on in here. I like to put this on 7 and the suction and the heat level on 1, so let's go. Y'all, so that section is done. It took roughly a minute. Usually it takes a little bit longer, but again, because my hair wasn't that wet, it took less time to air dry, or reverse air dry. I don't want to say blow dry. So I just used the RevAir wide tooth comb to go ahead and just detangle that section through. I love how soft it makes my hair feel once I'm done using the RevAir, and you can see that blowout or reverse air out got pretty darn straight, if I do say so myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip that to the back, grab that next section, and we're gonna go ahead and spread this on out. I'm going to use 2 pumps of my heat protectant and go ahead and put it all on that section again. Now, if you guys have never used the avocado and tamemu line from Mielle Organics, I would definitely recommend it. It's to fight frizz. All right, let me go ahead and turn this back on. It's going to take me roughly probably a minute and a half to get this straight. Nice and straight. We love to see it. Wow, look at that. My hair is just gliding so soft, so smoothly, y'all. So that is all it for the back section. Everything turned out really well. It's nice, straight, smooth, silky, soft, everything that you can imagine. That is what the RevAir does. And best of all, it does not take long to do this at all. Like when I use a regular blow dryer to blow dry my hair, like those were the days. I don't even want to talk about it. So let me go ahead and move on to the front section. Almost done, friend. And all I'm gonna do now is get 2 more pumps of my heat protectant. Do you guys use a heat protectant when you are using your RevAirs or any type of tool that helps blow dry your hair straight? Comment below and let me know. All right, so it's gonna get a little bit loud, but let's go ahead and knock these last 2 sections out. I'm looking through my anxious mind for a song. That section is done. Here's the hair, y'all, looking cute, looking good. And I cannot believe we are already on our last section on this side. All right, so I think I'm gonna break this down in half, only because this section is a little bit thicker. And I'm gonna go in with the back first. Definitely shiny. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good, really straight. That's a blowout for you. Or a reverse air out, whatever you want to call it. So y'all, I still have to go in and do the other side, which shouldn't take long at all. I am going to go ahead and do that off camera. If you guys are on the fence about purchasing a RevAir, let me tell you, honey, just jump over, do it. Again, I have had no problems whatsoever with my RevAir. I love it, and I love how quick it is. It only took me, what, 10 minutes to do this side? Maybe another 10 minutes, and then I am done. Also, if you guys are watching this in the month of December, they are having a Black Friday sale. The end of the year is perfect because a lot of brands are having a lot of sales right now. So is RevAir. So make sure if you are on the fence, then right now and this month might be a good time to go ahead and make a purchase decision. And to make your life even easier, I'll include my discount code below for you guys to make it even cheaper. Alright, so let me go ahead and do the other side, and I'll be right back, friend. Hey y'all, alright, so I am back and the other side is all completed. Y'all, this RevAir, it works wonders, honey. If you guys are considering purchasing it, again, November is probably the best time to go ahead and get it while it's the holiday season and they have extra sales going on. Don't be afraid of the price. It's worth it. It's worth it, hands down. If you have the money to splurge on yourself, if you're taking your natural hair journey seriously and you just want a tool that's going to be able to help optimize time and also give you the best results, then I would definitely go ahead and get it. I'm so happy that I have one, and hopefully you do too, or will soon get one. Make sure you guys check out the deets below so you guys can catch those extra sales with my coupon and discount codes. So here are the results one more time. Nice, full, and fluffy. Now I am ready to go ahead and style my hair. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video to follow so you guys can see how I style my hair. And I'm actually going somewhere really cool in the next video, so you guys don't want to miss it. I will be headed somewhere very fun. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. Make sure you guys go out and get the RevAir. Alright y'all, so I'm out of here. Make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Aaliyah. I do natural hair care content and we're awesome over here. Alright, my name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.